Parents of children with disabilities often face significant challenges when schools fail to develop and implement IEPs correctly. You may have considered submitting a written state complaint, and you should. 70% of written state complaints are submitted by parents. However, nationally, only 46% of allegations are found to be violations of IDEA. There is a clear need for expert guidance. This workshop series can help you. It addresses common issues like IEP implementation, IEP development, and isolation and restraint. By mastering the art of written state complaints, parents can improve their child's education by fixing the school's mistakes, such as securing the special education minutes and services their child is entitled to. You can drive systemic change through district policy review and revision, and you can enhance teaching and learning by obtaining mandatory training for teachers and staff. As someone who has sat at every side of the IEP table, as a parent, foster parent, teacher, administrator, and now advocate, I bring a unique perspective to this challenge. With 2 master's degrees in education, hundreds of hours of special education training, and nearly 16 years of experience as a non attorney special education advocate, I'm uniquely positioned to guide you through this process. Remember, while these workshops provide invaluable insight, it's important to note that I am not an attorney and the presentations do not constitute legal advice. There are 3 workshops in this series and 1 work group. You can register for any or all of the workshops. Registering for the work group will only be open to those who have completed all 3 workshops. The first workshop is foundation building and costs $15. Here you will learn the basics of written state complaints and their power to affect change. The second workshop in the series is titled Strengthening Your Complaint and costs $25. We will master document requests that support your allegations effectively. The final workshop in this series is called Advanced Strategies and costs $35. You'll explore remedies and gain insider tips from me, an experienced advocate. For those who complete all 3 workshops, you will be invited to join a tight-knit, supportive community of parents. We'll spend an hour each week focused on working and improving your written state complaint. In groups of no more than 8, you'll receive 4 personalized group coaching sessions and 1 30-minute individual one-to-one coaching session. At the end of the month, your complaint will be complete, strong, and ready to submit. By investing in these workshops, you're becoming a powerful advocate for your child and a catalyst for positive change in special education. Join us today. Space is limited, and I hope to see you soon.